So what comes to my mind when I walk down the ramp, seeing all these beautiful aircraft? So guys, sometimes I forget to give an introduction because I assume we are all friends, we are all pals talking. But welcome to PrincessAnuTv, and on this channel we talk about aviation, motivation and adventure. So let's go on. I'm like, I think I should get one someday. Like seriously, these aircrafts are so nice. Guys, see, let me show you. Do a 360 everywhere. Aircrafts everywhere. Aircrafts. But very soon, very soon, we will get there where we'll have our own aircrafts. Not just flying for people like bus drivers or taxi drivers. Actually, I've never seen flying that way. People say, oh, we are just taxi drivers, we are just bus drivers, but I've never seen it that way. But trust me, having an aircraft of your own, especially a private jet that looks like any of these ones, it's surely a blessing. It's surely going to be a very good blessing. So I'm walking down to my aircraft anyways. See you guys. This is just random thoughts in my head. See you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share with your friends. See ya.